You got this, Chang.
I'm down.
If you can cover me, I can get my bunch of blood cocktails out. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Chang, cover me. Keep him busy or something.
I'll distract him.
Okay, I got it out. I'm throwing it in this corner. He should be he's walking to it. Yeah, he's walking to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's rip.
I'll throw another one. Good measure. Yeah, he won't attack anything if it's not next to the pungent blood cocktail.
Oh, he's attacking.
Yeah, just stay out of his like frontal cone, because he will still attack the blood cocktail. I'll throw another one.
I've got some, so if you do this.
Ow, she hit me. Oh, I got blood poison. I gotta cool off for a second. I'll throw another one. Yep, there he goes.
Not really.
Oh, well, maybe he's immune to it after a certain point. Just kill him.
Sounds possible. Yep.
GG!
GG.
That'll cry.
So you own
No.
Yeah, we did the cheese method though, so it doesn't really count.
What's the cheese method?
You use punch and blood cocktails.
You use the punch and blood. Yeah.
Doesn't look like you're cheesing him at the end there.
Oh, at the end?
No, at the end, we killed him legit for like the last 10% of the time.
Oh my god. Ricky, turn on your sound right now to the stream. Please. Turn it on. All the way to max. Please.
Yeah.
You got it on?
Yeah.
Wait for it. That was so good.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's 50 blood tinge.
Can we do mine next?
Lol.
We can do yours.
Okay, I'm ringing my beckoning bell. I'll be right back really quickly.
Wait, have you not done level 2?
No, Jared hasn't. Jared's only done layer 1.
I've rung my bell. Yeah, this is like some unintentional like pause. Well, not unintentional. Intentional pause moment in the day. Everyone's like, go do stuff.
Are you kidding me?
What?
The sound of so
It's
many
still
yells
going.
if I zoomed in.
Yeah, that's what Gerald was. That was what Gerald was trying to get me to do. It literally sounded like you and him were in a chorus.
Oh my god, that is good.
Wow. Both of you do your
You know how you get
reading.
motion sensors to work? I haven't got it working, but sometimes, a few times my character will just start doing retarded stuff.
What do you mean? Yeah, I don't know how it works. It just happens, like you said, randomly. Like occasionally he'll just decide to sit down.
Yeah, mine does as well. There was a pretty funny, I was watching a stream, it was pretty funny. This guy messed up against a cleric base and he threw a pebble at the cleric base and the base crushed him. I was like, yeah, how appropriate.
It's only trying to help the beast out, you know, pebble.
Should say cleric beast is so easy for blood tinge because when you shoot his head once, he drops down for visceral.
Oh wow.
I mean, like, but once you visceral him, you can't visceral him again until he heals up. But it's still like, it still makes it really easy. But then cleric beast is already very easy.
Yeah. I can't believe I had more problems with Father Gasconi than Cleric Beast. And then Gerald's just like, lol.
No, I think Papa G is harder than cleric beast.
Yeah, but then Gerald did it the other way around, didn't he?
Yeah, Gerald did Papa G first. He somehow managed to miss the cleric beast.
I wonder if he's gonna stream Dark Souls 3. More death.
More rage.
Yep. I wonder where he went. Guess I don't really have to wonder. Just ask him when he comes back.
But until he comes back, you must wonder.
The wilderness.
Yeah, flunk my sword. Can I do that on two-hander mode? Yeah, flunk my sword.
Do you have a big sword?
It's big and bloody.
Oh god. Oh dear. You should go get that checked out, Chang.
I'd rather use it to kill people first.
Okay, let's go.
Oh. Bad timing.
Why, what are you doing?
Wait. Yeah, no. I need to eat food.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
Eat? Alright.
You should have stuck around, Ricky. You could get free blood echoes just by standing there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Are you still gonna play after?
Yeah, no. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just cooking. Well, I'm making food.
Really? I think he cooks food at 9 because that's when Gerald goes off.
As in, I'm making a snack so I don't starve.
Wait, I have
after
to
not
be right
eating
back
lunch.
again. Sorry, Chang. Hold on a second.
Alright. Why you no eat lunch? You're not in some third world country.
Lunch is overrated. Don't eat lunch. It's just shopping as well. Shopping is annoying.
It is.
No one wants to go shopping 24/7.
Except for mothers.
No, come on. Even they don't want to do it 24/7. A cheesy sandwich.
Ew.
Fine, a cheese toasted sandwich. How's that sound?
No, I messed up. Oh my god. Damn it.
What, did you die?
No, I didn't die. I was trying to make a Nazi symbol with the shining coins and I messed up.
Oh, wow. Your ambitions. How do you still have shining coins after you burned through them all yesterday?
I couldn't burn through them in time, so there's still shining coins left.
Wow.
Would you live in Alien Loran if you could?
Saving the run?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it depends. How's the internet connection?
Fairly good, I reckon.
I don't know. There's a lot of static in
one.
there.
Was
I
either
can mess with
that,
Wi-Fi.
either that or the Forbidden Woods.
Yeah, no, but does the Forbidden Woods have good internet connection?
Yeah, just tie up all the snakes. Cable.
I mean, it depends. Do I have to fight the things?
Whoa! When they come into your house.
I mean, can't we just have a party? Can't I be one of them?
You could try to turn into one of those snakehead people, yes.
But you don't think it'll be successful?
I think you might just die.
Might just die. I mean, I could just ask them, like, how'd you become a snake person? They might tell me. Then we can have a snake person party.
Mm-hmm.
Snake person party in the woods.
With
is that?
snake on life.
Lols. I can hear you yelling still.
Lo, where are you?
I'm at the bell. No, the lantern.
Oh. You should just ring your small bell so you might get in and get free echo.
I did, but it's not working.
Oh.
Oh, it's you.
Who's me?
Roaring at me.
I figured out where, yeah. It was coming from my computer, not from the game.
Oh. What do you have to do, Gerald?
I had to pick something up.
Oh.
Get the hunter first.
Yep.
I thought the hunter was you for a second. I was like, why are you attacking me, Chang?
Lol.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go after this boss, by the way.
Sorry, what's that?
I'm probably gonna have to go after the boss. I'll have to see what time we finish, so. But I'll be back on later.
Yeah, when you go off, I think for dinner. I won't be able to play so much tomorrow because I need to prepare for Monday.
Okay.
I'll probably just play in the afternoon.
Time to get my trophy. hit me. Yep, I got it.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll be playing tomorrow. Might not. So how many trophies do you need?
Well, I just got 2 of
All
them.
of them.
I just got 2.
2?
Just then. For some reason, I don't
What's
know.
the other one?
Hunter Essence. Wait, let me see what the Beast Claws do.
Just let you be Wolverine.
Okay, I have to be right back one more time. Sorry.
Alright, sure.
BRB.
No shooting. You still remember the dude in Building for Columbine who was like, oh, they want to be violent here? No, not without a fight.
Yeah.
That made my day.
That whole show was weird. It was clever and very weird.
Oh, how's it weird?
No, it's just like after going through all the stuff that he did do to make that perspective, it was quite funny. Like, remember how we actually had to analyze what like pieces of speech he used and how the whole speech itself wasn't actually that bad?
Yeah.
From the NRA people. Yeah, stuff like that. It's very clever.
What did I have? I think that's Building for Columbine was year 10, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I had Miss Gravina. I was like, I mean, she's a really good teacher. She just likes Jun way too much.
John. Okay. Didn't
I don't
realize
know.
that was a thing.
I just feel that there's not much depth to Jun's idea, so I was like, bored. He had like Miss Healy allowed him to have like a half an hour rant on Coney, where he basically just made like 1 point. I was like, are you kidding me?
Nah. It's John. Did he do it in the rap?
And if only, that made it entertaining.
Yeah, if only. Then you should have filmed it.
If and only. So back in year 10,
The Dell computers still had webcams. Should have done
yeah. I had to hand back my Dell computer, I was pretty sad. I tell you that story of my Mac, right?
What? What did you do, Mac?
No, because I started using it, right? And somehow one morning I lost it. And I was like, oh, screw it, I'll deal with it after the trial. And then, so the moment I actually started liking the Mac, I lost it. And then after the trials finished, the IT department told me, hey, your MacBook is here. I'm like, okay. So I came to pick it up, and it turned out it was just collecting dust there for like weeks. Still had my last webpage open.
Well, do you know where you had left it?
No, I don't. Well, it's really strange because I remember it was like homeroom, chemistry, then study. And it was really strange. I don't know how I could have lost it. I did check that afterwards.
Maybe it was one of the labs. Like, maybe it was like, I can't remember, chemistry or something.
Yeah, I checked like the chem
Because
lab, but there's nothing there.
Then they would have given it to like, then the teachers wouldn't have given it. Had it been anywhere else, I don't know if people would have returned it.
I was so surprised when I lost it. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Because I thought it was like safe, because I called my dad and I was like, Dad, is there like because he doesn't know what a Mac is, right? Previous generations. I was like, is there like a whitish, silverish laptop on my desk? And he said yes. but turned out that he was actually referring to my tail.
Oh, lol. Yeah, it's technically the same thing, right?
Yeah, I should have been more careful. I should have said, did it have an apple sign on it?
Did someone put a fruit on it?
Yeah. Is it good for you to eat it?
Does it solve world hunger? Welcome back! So I'm ready to do the boss with you guys. I'm still searching for you.
Oh, okay. We'll go back to
Joe,
the
do you need to
lantern.
leave soon?
No, in like 30 minutes.
Where are you going? The lantern's not this way.
Isn't it?
No? It's down here.
But there's a blobby thing.
I need cool.
By the way, I can still
Dude,
hear you
that's a
roaring.
lie. I know, right? So can I.
You dropped a shit ton of shiny coins down there, I saw.
Yeah, I was trying to make the Nazi symbol, but I messed it up.
As you do.
If we roar, if we continually
So
roar
are you
when
leaving after
Ricky's...
this, Gerald?
I have Beast Roll. What's that?
Should be the
Oh,
same
that's
thing.
a spell. Try it. Gerald, are you leaving after you're done?
I might be able to stay depending on how fast we finish.
No, because when you leave, I'm
We'll
going to
go
start
make
cooking
dinner.
dinner.
Yeah.
Well, I'm probably gonna have to leave in like half an hour.
Oops. I have a whole lot of I have 36 Madman's knowledge and 2 Great Ones wisdom. And I haven't even like.
Do I have
used
any?
them yet.
Frenzied cold.
I don't want to use them. This having high insight is only bad for you.
What's empty plasma shell?
It adds arcane damage.
It.
It adds arcane damage to your weapon. Like fire paper.
I think it's a flat 80 damage increase. Arcane.
Is it good to do that though?
Yeah. He doesn't want more weapons. He doesn't want more damage on the weapon.
Oh, okay, and it only uses 4 things. Interesting.
Yeah.
Ricky, are you at the lamp?
Yeah, I'm at the lamp.
Are you at the
Staring at a
correct
boss
lamp?
door. Well, okay, if you're at the lamp, it's on your right, and then you walk forward, and there's like a chain hanging down in a big hole.
Yeah, that's the right one.
Yeah.
Yo, this is our new this is our new code, okay?
Yeah.
What's that?
New code.
Oh, okay. I'll
For
go.
future reference.
I'll go equip that then.
Hello.
Okay,
Hey.
my one will be this.
I didn't
I
see
see what
it,
this
but
is, guys.
Okay, fine. I'll change
It's
it to the
still
one that.
tapping.
I'll change it to the one that you did.
you
It's
can't,
off by
can't do it
device.
that way.
So what? You guys gonna do that when there's something that I don't know about?
Yeah, but you won't be able to see it because it's super small. The emote is really tall.
Yeah, but then how's Ken gonna know?
I'll be standing right next
Can't
to
step
him.
back. Oh,
Oh my god, why can't you just tiny tarnish us there?
Why don't
Oh
I do
no.
it?
If I don't have 25 arcane.
Ricky can do it now.
I can do it now too. I'll equip it instead of my hunter's axe.
That's it.
I thought you had done all of it.
No,
No, we haven't.
we did the
We went
bonus
to the
room.
bonus room.
I can still hear the roaring. Watch out for the fireball.
Dude told us to lower that. Right.
Getting so many blood vials and quicksilver
Oh
bullets.
god,
Oh, this is the beast
spiders.
room. Okay, let's just be careful.
So
no,
you
it's
can
not,
keep your
it's
call
not.
from beyond. You might need it. Yeah, the
Okay,
Bell
I've got it.
Maiden.
Got it equipped.
Does putting arcane on my thing do anything useful?
It adds
Yeah,
damage.
extra damage.
Okay. I'm here. Help. Oh.
Unlocked.
I went from 5,000 to 41,000.
What do you mean?
What?
I had
Oh,
5,000
blood
blood
echoes.
echoes and now I'm at 41. It's like, okay, that was fast.
Low.
This is the beast room over here. Starting from now. Be careful, guys.
I can try and tiny tunnel first then.
Oh wait, it's not here. What? Where is it?
Oh no, it's after we open the boss door.
Oh, okay. I can still hear them yelling.
I tricked you, ah, ha 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 ha. Good job.
Right.
My troll was successful.
Good job. You told me into thinking that there was no ladder. What are you doing? I don't trust you.
Okay, be careful. After this
Oh,
door,
the
it's
spiders are
just hell.
coming.
What?
It's spiders.
Look out!
I tried to run away, but then you guys were there.
Are you guys both gonna die?
Oh my god, Ricky,
My
you
dead
blocked
body
me
was
from
there.
running out. What the hell?
That's what I'm saying. I tried to run away, and you guys were both there, so I couldn't run away, and they killed me.
Yeah, and then your dead body got me stuck. I was in front of you.
Oh god.
What?
I respawned and my
Oh, you heard the yelling? You heard the yelling?
yelling.
Wait, what? Why isn't it letting me use my beckoning bell?
Just move around a bit.
That's weird.
Now I have 73 inside.
Oh my god, I spawned at the wrong point. That's stupid. It's because I
Oh.
haven't died in, like, ages.
Yeah, one room that's really good is the Deep Great Lake room.
Hey, more on my notes is ready to find.
Deep Great Lake? What's
Yeah.
that?
It gives you plus 100 of all types of resist. Oh, Great Deep Sea. my bad.
Oh, okay.
So it's really versatile. You don't have to worry about like poison or frenzy or all that so much. And it also adds like physical and fire and arcane. It's pretty OP actually.
Ooh.
It's from the Nightmare Frontier if you go through the
That was quick.
BS caverns.
Oh, BS cabins. Well, I don't think I
You
did.
want one? Like before Amidala, this is total BS cavern, filled with poison and like frenzy and all sorts of stuff. By the end of it, it's the room.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, there's like poison, calamari, the brain woman.
That's also where you get the messenger's gift.
No, not there. The messenger's gift is somewhere else. I think. No, yeah, there's another spot. There's another brain woman in the poison thing.
I see what you mean by Bolt kills these things really fast.
You had the lamp.
Yeah, I'm at the lamp. I rang my small
Yeah.
bell.
I'm gonna
It's
be
so
really
annoying
careful because I had
attacking for,
like 600k, so I'm gonna be really careful.
600k.
Can you guys go first from now on?
Yeah, I'll go.
What does like charging up the Punisher do? What's it using?
Adds bolt
It
damage.
buffs it with lightning.
Yeah, I know, but like, what's it using? Wait, hold on, I can hit.
Nothing.
He uses arcane.
Really?
So the more
Oh,
arcane
I
you have.
insta-died.
How?
How did you die? What?
Wow, I should really stop playing this game.
Wait, how did you die? Honestly.
The thing at the bottom.
Oh my god.
What thing at the bottom? Oh, that!
Yeah. It insta-killed me. I'm just watching the stream and you're just like walking along, you look down at it, then you walk into the next room and I die. You're like, wait, what?
Essentially, yes. Oh, you wanna sit? Okay, let's sit.
Uh-huh. This is just one massive toilet bowl if you look at it carefully.
Interesting thought.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there's a shitty mob down there, so that makes sense.
Shit incarnate. Even just selecting the mob makes me stand up.
Really? Oh yeah. That's so insane.
Well, let's see if we can coordinate it.
3,
3,
1,
2,
go.
1, go. Oh, almost.
3, 2, 1, go. You're a bit late.
There's like a tiny second delay.
Do it at
Yeah,
1,
this is
3,
delay.
2, 1, go. There we go.
Oh! That did not work.
There's an annoying jet outside my window.
Tell it to fly away.
Don't worry, I'll shoot it with my anti-air later.
Anti what? Why is it not finding you?
Maybe, Joe, we should go back to the lantern room just to be safe. Never get old.
Yeah, especially the glitch. I hope they never patch it.
Okay, I found
By
it.
the way, your mic has suddenly become super soft.
It's probably
Yeah.
because of the contrast to the stupid jet outside my window.
Alright.
It adjusts the sound so that if I speak really, really loudly, it levels it out.
I'll go first, Gerald.
So I'm not going down there again.
I'm not going first anymore. I would like to keep my blood echoes to level up later. Okay,
Yeah,
from
it's
here
all
on
the
out,
hyper
you guys
files,
are
man.
going first.
Oh, he found the flash.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Still though, I don't want to lose, like, my blood echoes. You guys go first. I'll stay here.
Yeah, red spiders and light.
Whoa.
Do we have a call from beyond?
Oh yeah, I do.
Fire the
Check me.
Galahorn now.
I'm getting hit by stuff and I don't know where, 'cause I'm lagging.
There. Galahorn.
I'm seriously getting hit by stuff and it's lagging.
Charging
Someone go
in.
get the Bell Maiden.
I'm on it. Oh gosh, it's casting. I'm in trouble.
I died by something.
Yeah. If the
I don't know
Bell
what,
Maiden
it's-
costs her thingy, then you die.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's like an insta-death.
That's something I did not.
There's another Bell Maiden, Shang. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know that. Just wait an alpha ad.
Bitch. Okay, back to the lantern it is.
Yeah, that bit's pretty damn hard. Where'd you going?
I like how you're still using Kirk Hammer.
Why? I leveled it up max. It's my highest damaging weapon.
Really?
Yeah. Wait, I'll show you how much it does. Oh my god, the roaring is still here. Yeah, Ricky, look at the stream now. I'll show you how much it does. You see right-handed weapon attack 1? That's my damage per hit.
I can't see.
You'll see it in a second.
The stream's delayed.
Well, I'll tell you, it does 642 minimum.
Minimum.
So like whatever I hit, no matter what it is, it always does 642. Let's go.
Yeah,
Unless-
mine's 320.
Mine is 200 in big quotation marks.
It's because your Chikage is OP as shit.
Yeah, it doesn't show how much it does on the OP mode.
Lol.
Just hear the roar everywhere.
It's not letting me use it.
Use what?
I used my bell and now it's not letting me use my bell. Oh, 'cause I'm already in.
Yeah, you're already in. What the hell
Wow.
are you talking
Okay.
I was watching the stream the whole entire time. Wait, where are you guys?
about? We'll come back to you.
Bonus
Stay there.
round by the boss.
Okay.
Just stay there, Ricky.
Yeah, it's Gerald, not that way.
No, I was getting loot. I thought you were a mob.
Your character looks
Oh, that's
Italian. May I just comment?
Who?
Who, me?
Yeah. Yeah, your character looks
Italiano.
Italian.
I like being Italian.
Okay, I'm gonna do punch and blood cocktail.
Alright. You just throw it against the edge of the room, right?
Yeah, you just throw it against the wall.
Tell me when you've thrown it.
I'm throwing it now. Threw another one. Stay out of its frontal cone, guys. Throwing another one.
No.
Yeah, stay out of frontal cone. Oh, it ran out.
I don't
sorry.
think it has
I'll
one.
throw another one now. There you go.
Yeah, my full combo does 3k damage.
I don't think it works
Okay,
from
well.
now on. After he reaches phase 2.
What the hell?
I just visceral this.
Someone kill it.
I missed. I have no health. I'm slow poison.
Tango down.
Yeah, dead.
And yeah, I have to go in like 10 minutes, so that was perfect timing.
Okay.
I'll play with you guys later
Oh,
though.
I had a trophy. Bye.
Goodbye.
Well.
I'll go level up like 6
Uh,
times now.
Can't wait to hear the yelling again.
Did you hear it?
It's so loud.
I need to get that.
Yeah, Ricky, you really need to. It's an essential.
Uh, where do you get Call from Beyond?
From
Upper Cathedral Ward.
yeah, Upper Cathedral Ward.
Oh, upper.
You get most things from Upper Cathedral Ward.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's like... Most important things, at least.
Yeah, the
Alright,
funniest
I'm at
thing.
46 vitality.
Wow. What level are you? Like
Me?
100 something? Wow.
I
How are you
am
so high?
164.
Ricky, if you want to level up quickly, just equip the runes that give you extra blood echoes.
Yeah, if you have 3 of
Oh,
those
yeah.
on, you get like 10k per kill, no matter what it is.
Should I still raise up my strength and stuff? Or not?
Yeah, you should. Depending on what weapon you're using. What are you using, Ricky? I wasn't
Sword
really
cleaver.
noticing. You're using Sword
Sword
Cleaver? Then you should level up both.
Yeah.
Sword cleavers? Yeah.
Yep,
But I
well
think
I'm
sword
off
cleavers
now.
still strength a bit more. Alright, see ya, Joe. I'm in for dinner as well. So,
Damn,
Joe, you're usually back around like 11, right?
Yeah, I'll be back around in like 2.5 hours.
9. Yeah, okay. Well, see you guys later.
Bye.
Ew.